Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. Have you ever wondered how legal cases are analyzed? Specifically, what happens when a case like SMC Pneumatics, India, Private Limited versus Jogesh Kwatra pops up? This case is not just about two parties. It's about understanding the application of the IT Act of 2000. Understanding cases like this can give us valuable insights into the legal landscape in India. So, let's break it down using the IRAC method. IRAC stands for Issue, Rule, Application, and Conclusion. It's a simple and structured way to analyze legal cases. In this video, I'll take you through each part and show how it applies to this case. By the end, you'll see just how these elements fit together to give you clarity in legal matters. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's identify the issue. In this case, the primary issue revolves around the interpretation of certain provisions under the IT Act of 2000. Specifically, it concerns the legality of certain activities conducted by SMC Pneumatics and how they relate to Jogesh Kwatra's claims. Understanding this issue is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, we move on to the rule. The IT Act of 2000 establishes guidelines and regulations for electronic transactions in India. It covers everything from cybersecurity to e-commerce. In this case, we need to focus on the specific sections that pertain to online transactions and data protection. This is where SMC Pneumatics must clarify its position based on the provisions of the IT Act. Now, let's break this down further with some examples. Imagine that SMC Pneumatics engaged in online sales without properly securing customer data. This would directly violate key sections of the IT Act. On the flip side, let's look at Jogesh Kwatra's role in this case. He might argue that his rights were compromised by the company's actions. This brings us to the application part. How do the rules of the IT Act directly apply to the facts of this case? Here's a clearer picture. SMC Pneumatics may have failed to ensure data protection, which might lead to unauthorized use of personal information. The courts would analyze specifics, like: did SMC Pneumatics inform customers about the data usage? Did they get the necessary consent? Let's visualize a scenario here. Suppose a customer's personal information was leaked due to poor data security. This would not only harm the customer but also put SMC Pneumatics at risk of legal penalties. Now, we will also consider Jogesh Kwatra's argument. What evidence does he provide to back up his claims? Does he attribute specific damages to SMC Pneumatics? This analysis connects the facts with the rules we discussed earlier. Finally, we have the conclusion. After analyzing all of this, what is the likely outcome? Based on the application of the IT Act, the court may rule in favor of Jogesh Kwatra if SMC Pneumatics did indeed mishandle data. Conversely, if SMC Pneumatics can prove adherence to the law, they might win. This entire process shows how IRAC helps dissect legal cases effectively. But we're not done yet. Let's discuss the implications of this analysis for businesses. Understanding IRAC not only aids lawyers but also equips business owners. If you know the basic principles under laws like the IT Act, you can avoid potential pitfalls. It's crucial to stay updated on legal standards. Additionally, training your team in these principles can enhance compliance. This ensures that you safeguard not just your business reputation but also your customers' trust. Engaging in these legal discussions prepares you for any future issues. Now, before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you encountered legal issues in your business? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Understanding legal concepts doesn't have to be daunting, and we hope this IRAC analysis was helpful. Remember, knowledge is power. Join us next time for another insightful topic. Keep questioning, keep learning, and we'll see you soon.